Yo, fam, what's good with you? Look, fam, look, this is just a quick public service announcement from your boy. Look, fam, check out the 2A NLA official merchandise store. We got some of the hottest gear out there, whether it's your Right to Bear Arms cap or your 2A NLA Love Guns cap or that Love Guns tumbler. That's no joke. And for you more sophisticated folks, you know you got that Love Guns wine chiller. All right. If you look down in the description of the video, you'll see the link to the official 2A NLA store. 100% of the proceeds from the store go directly back into the channel to bring you better content. All right? Thanks. Let's get this video rolling. Yo, fam, what's good with you? It's your boy 2A in LA, and as always, fam, anything I say in this episode, prior episodes, and future episodes is just my personal opinion. Don't take it as fact. Don't take it as law. Always do your own homework and come up with your own conclusions. Right about now, fam, I actually go ahead and tap that like button for your boy. If you're new to the channel, I want to say come on in, join the congregation by smashing that subscribe button and requesting all post notifications. And if you are an existing supporter of the channel, fam, I appreciate you more than you can possibly imagine. You are the reason this channel is anything. Alright, so look, fam, this is going to be relatively short, I think. I really was not going to speak out on this, but I have been kind of compelled to do so because I'm getting hit up by so many people asking me my thoughts relative to the recent court actions that we've seen here in California in the last few days, specifically the magazine ban case and the assault weapon ban case. For those who are unaware, California forever has had a 10 round per magazine limit. Unless you purchase during Freedom Week, and that's another story for another day, or possess them prior to the onset of the law, you're kind of stuck at having 10 rounds per gun, regardless of the gun's potential capacity, right? We've also had an assault weapons ban that has outlawed what are considered semi-automatic rifles, and essentially that's been bastardized to the point where we have two types of semi-automatic rifles that are legal here, which are featureless rifles and fixed magazine rifles. And again, that's another story for another day. We have been battling these laws here in the state of California for as long as I've been into guns, the last several years. And California has been sued. These cases have worked themselves up from the district court level where they were ruled unconstitutional to the appeals court level where they were also ruled unconstitutional, to the appeals court en banc panel, which is all the judges in the district where the prior rulings were overturned, and then appealed up to the Supreme Court where they accepted the case and remanded the case after the Bruin decision, right? So went back down to the district court level. And, the first ruling we got was a magazine ban case by Judge Benitez. He ruled in favor of the Second Amendment and basically said that limiting 10 round magazines are unconstitutional. The state of California immediately appealed. Typically what happens when an appeal takes place is it goes to a 3-judge appeals court panel. In this particular case, because it had already gone up to the en banc, they just remanded the case. They skipped over the 3-judge panel and went to the en banc panel, and everybody in the 2A community lost their minds. They were like, oh my God, I can't believe they just ignored procedure. I don't know why you can't believe it. If they ruled it unconstitutional in the first place, if they said it was not unconstitutional to have less than 10 rounds or limit that restriction, why would you think that if they're willing to ignore the Supreme Court's decision and do whatever they want to do. Why would you think they would do any differently here? So, and in my opinion, they did us a favor, because all that would have happened is it would have went up to the 3-judge panel. It would have been there for however many weeks or months. And even if they found in favor of the Second Amendment, when it went to the en banc panel, they would have just overturned it anyway. So they did us a favor by skipping the step. Okay, and I kept wanting to tell people to shut up before they said, okay, we'll push it back down, and then it just delays the time even further. So we've got now the magazine case is up at the en banc panel. They have ruled that they are overturning the request for an injunction by Judge Benitez until the matter is fully settled. So we're here. I mean, it's going to be sitting there for however many months, maybe years. And so, no, I'm not excited about it. You know, I guess we already knew what Judge Benitez was going to rule. And so, it will be a long time before this case is decided on. My guess and all indications are that the en banc panel is willing to ignore legal precedents set in Bruin and Heller. So ultimately, after they delay this for however many months or years, it's going to go up to the Supreme Court. And then you got to see if the Supreme Court will take the case, and then how they're going to rule. So I will not allow myself to get on the roller coaster wave as these things permeate. I don't let myself get too high. I don't let myself get too low. I stay in my bag. Same is going to be the case for the assault weapons ban. Everybody is ecstatic that Judge Benitez ruled that the assault weapons ban was unconstitutional. I mean, that's great, but he had already ruled that before. And so now it's going to go likely to the 3-judge panel, who will probably take it up, and either they will find that it is also unconstitutional, or they'll find in favor of the state. In any event, it'll get appealed. It'll go up to the en banc, and it's going to get stuck there the same as this one, and then we're going to have to wait all over again. So, fam, look, we here in the state of California have been used to this existence forever. I'm not going to be doing videos every time there's some gyration on the roller coaster. No, I'll wait till the roller coaster ride comes to an end, and then we can talk about what's what. All right? That's it for this episode, fam. Until next time, as always, take care of one another, and peace.